Hi, good morning. I'm Blaine Robert, the CEO and Creative Director of Blaine Robert Design, and I'd like to welcome all of you to the Niro Ceramic Group. Today we're going to talk about slip stop, how to protect ourselves, protect our families, and take care of the people we love the most. So let's go in and have a little look around. Come on. The Niro Ceramic Group has got a very long history. As a matter of fact, it's over 40 years old with over 100 locations worldwide, with an amazing selection of the most luxurious tiles. Let's go take a little look around throughout the gallery and let me show you how these things can be used in your home or your F&B or wherever you want them to be to make your life a special life. Let's go take a look this way. Slip-stop tiles, what are they really? They're a new technology that's been specifically designed to protect you and to protect your family or to protect anything that needs being protected. Because really, at the end of the day, your family is what's important, and so are your staff or everybody in general. So it's important also to understand that the pricing is affordable as well. But how important is it to make sure that your family is protected? With this particular product, we are able to do that with Slipstop. So let's take a look at how it all works. This is one of the newer products here that's called Legacy. With Legacy, we've got kind of that marble finish in that Italian design. If we're able to cut it in different sizes and different patterns and add it all together, you can create a really contemporary edge or a contemporary vibe. Let's keep looking around at some of the other models that we have and the other brands just to see how they can be used in a different way. This way. The Slipstop Legacy series comes in 3 colors, a lighter, a medium, and a darker color. And then what you're able to do is you're able to put them together with different kinds of look and feel. For example, the Legnick series. For home or for a bathroom or for an office, you're able to mix and match these things and put them together and create a luxurious look and feel. It's all about the drama and feeling good. And the Pedricle series, this is something that's really interesting, that granite finish that comes in 4 different colors. And what this is especially good for is the bathroom, creating that really clean image and giving you the safety you need with the Slipstop finish. This is what it's all about, creating an environment that's safe for your family and still having the glamour and sophistication and the elegance. The Pedricle series is what's really important because you're able to mix and match it with Tanglestone. And when you put these things together in different cuttings and different widths, and you create an environment that creates illusion and drama, especially for those outdoor areas, around swimming pools, in gyms, or any place that gets really wet. So that's what it's all about, creating an image and creating a drama that looks fabulous. Well, I've taken you through the whole experience and the whole range of the Slipstop series, but now I want to talk about the technology. The technology is all about infusing that technology into the porcelain tile, making the surface friction worthy, making sure that it is safe and comfortable and protects everybody that you love. As an international interior designer, that's what's important to me, making sure that everything and everyone is protected. Now, I want to take you on a little tour and show you how it actually works. Let's go over there and take a look. So let me take you on the tour. Here we are with a matte finish surface and we have the Slipstop surface. Take some water and put it on because this is what life is about. It's about water falling on the floor or it's about water being around a pool. You take your shoe, you put it on the matte surface and you're in trouble. You put it on the Slipstop surface and it doesn't move. This is what we call protection. Protecting the people that you love and making sure that everything is perfect for your life. So this is an example, but let's actually take a look at what real life is all about. We've got a matte surface over here and we have the Slipstop on this side. We put it on here, we go on here, hold tight, and you can see how much you slip. On the Slipstop surface, you don't move. It's all about protection. I'm Blaine Robert, and I want to thank everybody for being a part of the magic today at the Niro Ceramic Group. So come down to the show gallery, see what they've got, see how the Slipstop product works, and see how it can be used to protect your family and protect your life. That's what it's all about. And it doesn't break the bank, because at the end of the day, that's important as well. So I want to thank you all and have a great day. Bye.